Hey everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to bring you an update here, but before I get to this update, I want to say if you are looking for a trading account and you are new to the stock market, Moomoo does have a pretty good promotion going on right now. So if you go to the link in the comments and description section of this video, sign up for Moomoo and make a deposit. They do have this promotion going on where you can receive up to 15 free stocks plus one extra share of Tesla or Google. So if that's something that you're interested in, head to that link, check it out, head over to Moomoo and sign up and, get some free stock. Hey everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker BBBYQ or Bed Bath & Beyond. So I made an update yesterday. I was talking about how this stock is dead and the shares are worthless, and that should kind of be the end of the road, to be honest. People should realize that they're completely liquidating, and this is like a done deal. There are no more shares coming. They're just going to liquidate everything, and this is going to be a done deal. Like, they are not recovering from this Chapter 11. This is not Hertz. This is not those companies that actually have a plan to make it out of Chapter 11 and actually run a successful business. This is a totally different story, and they've released everything that details that. But there are these people out there that still believe that this stock is not dead, and there's going to be some new DK butterfly shares issued. Like, the delusion is insane. But I was looking here, there was one more story posted here in Thinkorswim after it got delisted, and I just wanted to highlight a few things here. So they're just talking about social media reacting to the extinguishing of the shares here, or the shares becoming worthless and no longer being able to be traded. Here's some smart people in here, to be honest. Goodbye to BBBYQ. Rest in peace. It's done. I'm sorry that the BBBYQ holders lost everything with zero hope of getting anything back. But this is a great time to look at how you invest and the people you listen to. Yeah, because there are a lot of people that believe these delusional, YouTubers, people on Reddit that think like they were going to somehow get rich off of a failed company. And that's just ridiculous. Here's another great quote here. Real investors have a theory and a plan, and they know when they are wrong and they move on quickly. Once a company announces that they might go bankrupt or they do file for Chapter 11, if you're smart, you get out, you leave. Definitely if it's a plan to liquidate everything, there's no doubt about that. The Hertz situation was totally different, right? They actually were able to restructure and survive. But in the case of BBBYQ, this is a totally different story. Here's another great quote here by My Tesla. Say, in case you missed it, BBBYQ is dead. The shares are canceled and worthless and untradeable. To all the bag holders who have been giving me and others grief for the last 6 months, saying this was going to happen and it was inevitable, you're welcome. So, they're focusing on some good quotes here, things that people need to reconsider. So, everything that's being said here in this news story is correct. This is dead. The shares are worthless. They're done. But there are still people in Reddit. I just Googled it because I just wanted to see what people were saying in Reddit, and it is insane to believe that people are this delusional. But there's a post here 2 days ago. Is Lego going public through DK Butterfly 1 reverse merger? So first of all, yeah, there was a name change or something because I think they sold part of the business to Overstock.com. So, in the SEC filings now, it does say the name of the company is DK Butterfly, but this is not a stock. This is not something that's going to be tradable. So yeah, there's a new name in there, but that doesn't mean anything. That doesn't change their bankruptcy plan. But look at these comments in here. Like, these people are so delusional. That would be some serious shit if Lego is involved. The more I think about it, the more it makes sense. No, it doesn't. The more you think about it, the more it doesn't make sense. Nobody is coming public via a reverse merger through somebody else's bankruptcy. That makes 0 sense. And geez, this guy right here, Lego is 100% involved? Definitely not involved at all. He's saying Icon here took out a massive loan. Maybe that's the play he is making, so we will never forget. Guys, give up. It's a failed company. It's done. This is so sad right here. It's really, really funny, but then it's also really, really sad. Companies do not go public through other companies' bankruptcies. Like, I'm sorry, they want nothing to do with that. If a company wants to go public, they'll do it through like a SPAC or an IPO. Like, this is ridiculous. Like, it's pathetic to see that people just can't admit that they made a stupid investment and now their shares are completely worthless. So everybody who was buying BBBYQ on Friday for these prices we saw, between 11 cents and like 7 cents, 6 cents, completely worthless now, completely lost it all. Like, it's a done deal. So I just wanted to make one more update here because I just could not believe how delusional these people are, thinking that somehow they're going to be like owning shares of Lego after this Chapter 11 is done. But yeah, it's just like, just be careful who you listen to. Some of these YouTubers, some of these people on Reddit, because some of these people are super delusional and they just can't admit that, a company failed and the shares are done and the shares are worthless and like they made a mistake and it's time to move on. So just wanted to make one more update here. I don't know if I'm going to make any more updates on this. I hope not, but I guess it also depends on what random things I see pop up on Reddit. Because this one I just had to bring it up and just point out that these are the people you do not want to listen to unless you like losing your entire investment in a company. So please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.